Why does your scanner show the P0258 engine code? What does it mean? P0258 is a diagnostic trouble code for injection pump fuel metering control, B-low, cam or rotor or injector. The P0258 engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a low voltage or missing signal from the electronic fuel control actuator or fuel metering sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or corroded connectors, defective fuel metering, actuator, faulty fuel rack position, sensor, low vehicle voltage or weak battery, clogged fuel filter or failing injection pump. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.